once you have your Lulzbot powered on, now you need to load up filament. To do that, you want to preheat your printer to 200, 210 degrees for the nozzle. And for that, you're going to go down to temperature. And then nozzle, change it to 200, 210. And then you might as well turn on your bed to around 60 degrees. And this is in Celsius. Once it's reached that, which mine has, what you want to do is get your filament, find the end of it, and get some clippers. These are usually using like electronics, and clip it at a 45-degree angle, just like that. But what you gotta do is you gotta put the filament in this hole. So you press on this lever, and you just push it right into the hole. You should feel it kind of grab in there. And then under, you should see filament come out. And you can use your diagonal cutters to grab it from the nozzle, cut it off, and now you are loaded with filament and ready to print. You want to put an SD card inside of the printer, loaded with your G code. And then print from media and print. Now that it's printing a little too high. So to adjust this, we're going to go down to tune, Pro to Z offset, and counterclockwise will lower the print head. So I'm just going to look and see, too low, it'll start digging into the filament a lot. And too high, it'll not even touch the bed. So I think where I got it is pretty good. And the first layer is not going to look pretty, I can tell. There's some areas like right here, I had it too low. You see it's almost transparent. And then here it's too high. You see it stringing, and I can almost push that right off without even force. But where I have it right now, I think I got it. Originally it was at 1.2, and I got it to negative 2.1. The bigger the number in negative, the lower it's going to be, the print head. So, and that's all you got to do is the bed's already level. So, and it does all the calibration in the beginning of the print. So all you need to do is just set the height. And once you have this height set, it should be good every time you print. Every once in a while, you want to check your probe offset like we did earlier, just after every couple prints, every 10 prints kind of thing. And you also want to check, fingerprints will get onto this print bed and your prints won't stick to it as well. So what you want to do is just get a cloth, spray with alcohol, dip it with an alcohol, and just wipe that bed down and to keep it clean and to keep your prints sticking to it.